Good morning class. In the previous turn we have started chapter number 2 where plants live adaptations. In this chapter we have learned that what is habitat. Habitat is the home or natural place where plants live. In this chapter we have also learned about adaptations. What are adaptations? These are special features that help a plant survive in its habitat. And we have learned about the types of plant habitat. As we have learnt about the terrestrial habitat in the last class. Terrestrial habitat means land habitat, as the word terrestrial means land. And there are 6 types of land habitat. First is plains, second is desert, third is mountains, fourth is heavy rainfall areas, fifth is sea coast, and sixth is swampy areas. And these are types of plants which grow in these regions. Mango grow in plains, cactus grow in deserts, pine fir grow in mountains, rice, cashew grow in heavy rainfall areas, coconut grow in sea coast, and mangroves grow in swampy areas. Now in this class we will learn about aquatic habitat. Aquatic, as the word indicates, we will learn about the plants that live in water. So there are 3 types of aquatic plants. First is floating, second is fixed, and third is underwater or submerged plants. We will study about these plants in detail. First type of aquatic plants are floating plants. These have special characteristics due to which they can survive in water. They are very light in weight, they are spongy, and they can float in water. And they have one more unique characteristic, that chlorophyll is present on upper surface of leaf, only that gets sunlight. And the upper surface is waxy. It has wax-like covering or coating, due to which it can repel water. And air is filled inside their leaves and stems. And roots of these plants get nutrients directly from water, because these are not fixed to the soil. And the examples of such type of plants are duckweed, water lettuce, water hyacinth. As you can see in the picture, this is duckweed. This is water hyacinth. They float on the surface of water. Then second type of aquatic plants are fixed plants. Such plants have roots fixed to the bottom of the water body, such as ponds or rivers. That's why they are known as fixed plants, and they absorb their nutrients from water bed only. They have long stems which is fixed at the surface of water, and they have broad leaves, circular leaves, and they have waxy coating that helps the leaves to stay dry and prevents rotting. If you have seen lotus, you must have seen it has broad circular leaves. It has strong roots which are fixed to the bottom of the water bed. It has thin stem that is hollow and light in weight. Their flower and leaves float on water, and leaves have stomata on the upper side instead of the lower side. Examples are lotus and water lily. As you must have seen, this is lotus and this is water lily. Then third type of aquatic plants are underwater plants. As you can see in the picture, this is tape grass. This is underwater plant. And these are known as underwater plants because these grow under water. As you have seen this grass, the tape grass looks like this. As they are present completely inside the water, so they are also known as submerged plants. They have narrow leaves without stomata, and they breathe through the surface and keep the water clean. They do not have stomata and they do not bear flowers. So water, nutrients and dissolved gases are absorbed by leaves directly from water. And they give out oxygen which is used by aquatic animals inside water, which support the aquatic animals' life. And pondweed and tape grass are examples of underwater plants.